Good day all. Welcome to my channel Quick Tech Mastermind. In this video we will see how to inspect fire extinguishers on board. So let's begin.
Fire extinguishers are required to be inspected monthly. Here are the steps to perform a monthly visual inspection. Ensure the operating instructions are clearly visible and face frontward. Next, make sure the needle on the gauge is in the green, signifying that there is no pressure leak. Check the tamper seal and a pull pin to ensure they're in place. The tamper seal protects the pull pin from being accidentally pulled out. Check the body of the extinguisher for any dents, corrosion, or signs of leakage. Check the discharge hose for any dry rot or blockages at the nozzle. Unscrew the hose and inspect the opening for any signs of discharge. Also check the screwed-in section of the hose for any blockages. Turn the extinguisher upside down to fluff the dry chemical. This stops the extinguishing agent from packing up at the base. Finally, initial and date the monthly inspection card and secure it to the extinguisher. Remember, all extinguishers are to be visually inspected monthly. This ensures a safe working environment.